It's 9:12. I'm gonna be so fucking late, dude. Peep the spare tire. Oh my god. I want to show you guys something. Fucking loser. I don't know. I'll use my sweater to cover his shit. So this is my old tire, right? Around right here. You can see that. That's where the tire is punctured. Uncle said it was unfixable, but I don't know. You know, the one thing I don't get is the common census of getting a new bike or being a beginner rider and getting a new bike. People say, oh, you should get a used bike because you're gonna drop it. So we made it to school. 7 minutes till class starts. See, the one thing I hate about being a fucking art major, I think every art major can agree, is carrying this stupid ass bag. If it rains, good luck, because all your work would literally just get wet. Look, this guy has handcuffs for his bike. He has handcuffs for his shit. There's my scooter. See, this displays the need for scooters. You guys need, if you go to college, you need something to get you around. The class starts in like 10 minutes. I'm not even halfway through. We're done. Okay, I fucked up. I didn't realize that the shutter speed was at 1/200th of a second. So the footage might have been a little shitty. Sorry, guys. I didn't remember that much, but still. I'm gonna mount you guys. Pause. I hate this fucking bag so much. So that was my least favorite fucking class of the day. Actually, it's my least favorite class of the week. Not down 2 batteries, I'm down 2 scooter bars. Look at that ugly fucking spare tire. No relish.
That's right there, see? Yeah, like that. See?
We should make portable versions of these. They should make fucking keychain versions of these. Yeah, that's not fucking happening. Okay, it's still there. The light's gone. After just 2 minutes of driving, the light's gone, guys. Let's fucking go. We fixed the car. Okay, we didn't fix the car. We fixed the fucking tire. It is Wednesday, my dudes. I wonder if I'm gonna be late. Fucking scooter almost took out my kneecaps. So we're on ND8. It's pretty bright, but I have to, you know, after editing all the footage, a lot of the footage was a little too dark, and I couldn't get the contrast and the colors just right because of it. Tire pressure symbol is gone. I gotta wait 4 minutes. I gotta go set up this new mount. All right, it's 9:22. We're gonna get there at like 9:51-ish. I got 9 minutes to get to class. I stayed up again, playing fucking Marvel Rivals. Played so many games to get out of Diamond 1 In this one game, the game just decides to crash, and I try rejoining my match, and it crashes again, and I got penalized for 15 minutes, and it took away my elo. Massive waste of fucking time. Shout out to Marvel Rivals, you fucking schmucks. And then it went downhill from there. My last game, we got the fucking worst teammates ever. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you guys my new tire. Car handles so much better. I love the Your Name soundtrack. I used to listen to it so much right after I watched the movie. Dude, I've been seeing so many people on those little homemade motorcycles, those tiny mini bikes. Bikes that are so small that they can't even compare to the Grom. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, I brought 2 batteries this time instead of 1. So now the concern of running out of battery time is gone. Left turn closed ahead. Great. Another stupid ass construction problem. They've been doing this shit for months. Let's have construction time when everyone has fucking work. This is a nice fucking apartment. Ensemble apartments. Why are you going slowly through the fucking green light, you stupid fuck? Oh my god, we're fucked. These fucking people always on this left turn, they go, yeah, let me react 3 fucking seconds late and go slow on the green arrow. Why are these fucking clowns so fucking ass at driving, dude? Alright, let's go to class. It's a pretty shit start. Today, literally in class, I had to stand up from my seat to pass the attendance sheet to the person who was sitting 3 fucking chairs behind me. And when I stood up, I just noticed my table just starts falling over for no reason, and it drops my laptop. So I was trying very hard to just not fucking laser everyone who saw that. I was trying so hard to just not fucking use my heat vision and just absolutely air out the classroom. No witnesses. Fucking table dropped my laptop. We could go to the gym, but fuck that. I'm not going to the gym. I went twice last week. Look at me. Look at me. Everyone look at me. I'm in the middle of the street with an action camera and a mic. I'm an influencer. I'm a social media influencer. It's a chill ass place. Let's go a little off-roading. Hold on. I don't have enough traction. Oh my god. No, I don't have enough. I don't know what to do, man. I'm gonna be so bored for these. Could get food, but you already know I'm just gonna buy French fries. The chicken tenders are not that good. Dude, what is it with this fucking circle of trees? Some ritual shit going on here? Okay, count me in. You guys want to see how much I can lean on my scooter? Ooh, 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 ooh. It's just a traction test. Can we go lower? Can we go lower? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Let's go back. Oh, fuck. Oh, 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 oh. I feel the wheel slipping. I feel the wheel slipping. See those turtles? Dude. We should make a club at CSUN where it's just a bunch of electric scooters going around these environments. And a little track called the Scooter Rally. Yeah, look, bro, it's trackable. It's trackable. It's trackable. Should I put it in sport mode? Oh, I'm slipping. This is so fucking fun. Oh, and it leads straight to the street. And we are off campus. Let's go to sport mode just to see. Oh fuck! I want to do that again. Oh. Never throttle in the turns. If you race, you know what I'm talking about. Ah, that was fun. Do not feed the ducks, turtles, food meant for people. There's a little koi fish right there. You might not be able to see it. Look at that duck. He's just chilling. He's being chilling. Oh, he woke up. Where's the track? You know, people on motorcycles use the rear wheel to spin and turn the bike in stationary. Watch this. Oh, my goodness gracious. Oh, my God. Yeah. If you're on two wheels, do not brake on a turn. Do not brake hard in a turn. But yeah. You guys like my card? Look, it's a Hunter x Hunter. It's a Hunter card from Cuckoo Covers. Awesome thing else to show you guys. I got another card with a cover on it. If you play Genshin Impact, I used to a long time ago. The luxurious Sea Lord. Oh, I didn't realize there's barbecue fucking sauce here. I didn't fucking realize there's barbecue sauce. I would have gotten this a long time ago. Bruh. I was about to get ketchup and I was like, shit, there's barbecue sauce? This is a good place to eat right here. Guys, trigger warning, employment. It has been fucking hard to get a job. I have been fucking applying to every possible job I could find. I've done 20 in the past 2 years and I haven't gotten a single message back from them. It's terrible. This shit is terrible. I'm not getting a real job, guys. And all the job listings that I applied to, they all need experience. What fucking experience, bitch? It's an entry-level job. I also don't know why, but I applied to work for the Dodgers. And I tried applying and I got met with the, do you have experience working in this shit? Like, what? That didn't say anything on the, experience wasn't needed on the job description. Now the little website I have to apply on is asking for experience. Like, what? Make up your fucking mind. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's better. All right. I'll see you guys later. I wanted to tell you guys about my goals. I gotta take off the damn mount, and I gotta put it back. And then I gotta take it off. Dude, I need mounts. That's the only thing I regret about not buying the Adventure combo is not having enough mounts. Not having the mini and the other mounts. I need 3 at this point. There's my speech. If I win an Oscar, it's probably not gonna happen. Travel to Japan, travel to Switzerland, eat Ichiran ramen in Japan, race on a racetrack, go to an F1 race, drive an F1 car, own a Honda S2000, buy my dad an S2000. I'm not gonna forge a katana. Eat 85 Wagyu and Kobe beef, be in a racing movie, be a famous and rich actor, learn Japanese to a comfortable level, meet and become friends with Sea-Dog Christopher. Yeah. The content creators I would want to be friends right now are the people from Trash Taste and Offline TV. These guys are really fun to watch. Get a bro fist from PewDiePie. Get a motorcycle license, already done that. Get a motorcycle, not yet. Drive an F3 or F4 car, race a go-kart. or race a race car, GT, or just as exciting? Track/race a motorcycle. Own an expensive sim racing rig. Retire my parents. See up and close one of Ayrton Senna's McLaren race cars. Win an Oscar. That'd be funny if I did win an Oscar. I have a speech for when I do win an Oscar, but I'm gonna have to work a lot harder than I do now to get an Oscar. Y'all hear that shit? I had noise canceling on. I hear people screaming. Who's fucking screaming, bro? Fuck them. I swear to God, if there's a fucking protest going on right now. Maximum pulse. I've heard enough of that shit. Okay, we have a Honda 600 double R, probably a 2000 something model. Same Gixxer Honda Rebel. Let me see. That Honda Rebel looks nice. I might get one. You seen one up close? Is that a Honda Rebel? It's got a big old tire in the back, big chain, and you got a Ducati and a. Yeah, it's a Honda Rebel. Any idea what CC? Which one? We can tell by the talkie. Oh, it's an 1100. Damn. I'll see you guys when it's over.
Blow out into the next extreme pose. The more bronze you have, the slower it will, right?
I'm done with class for the day. We're an hour early. Just gotta pop this filter on, you guys. Voila. Actually, yeah, it's good. Shit, I really don't know. Let's try ND8 because you guys are gonna be in the fucking car. I don't want the image to be too dark. It's gonna be a nightmare to edit. I'm gonna use the restroom and then I'm gonna mic up and then we're gonna go home. There's a daycare right next to us. I'm not gonna lie, I never much liked the daycare as a kid. I didn't do much daycare as a kid. Shout out to this bitch ass Civic going 10 under. Yeah, fucking speed like a dumb bitch. Dude, I don't know if I even want to play Marvel Rivals today. I want to get out of Diamond. I want to get out of Diamond, but fuck, the players are so stupid. The sun is currently blinding the shit out of me, so I cannot fucking see. What a wonderful day. Oh yeah. Turn that fast just to get put behind a mad fucking Toyota 4Runner. Oh, he's speeding. He's fucking speeding. He's going 60. Fucking sun is blinding me. Crazy shit, man. I'm trying not to record more because this is editing takes a long fucking time. Even though it's just cutting, and I have a speed editor and everything, it takes me hours to take this footage. Not to mention the fact that I gotta bring everything into the computer, especially the audio. Okay, that's it. Thank you guys for watching.